Have you ever been driving and using your turn signal and wondering, man, my turn signal lever is too short? Well, neither have I, and there's a product for that. In all seriousness though, the Jeep Wrangler Gladiator turn signal levers are shorter than most automobiles out there. I'm not sure why, but AZUTO has a product for that. It's gonna put a little length on it. We're gonna install it today. I'm gonna show you how. All right, so let's open up the box and the turn signal lever extension and see what's inside. All right, let's open it up. Like always, AZUTO has great packaging. All right guys, so it looks like it comes with instructions. This is gonna be the back of the extension, this is gonna be the front. It comes with a little Allen key there, and then the bolt for it is actually in it already, so we're good to go. When you flip it over, they even take the extra care to put like some foam in there so it doesn't scratch up your original turn signal when you put it on. All right guys, let's head out to the garage and get it installed. All right, so we're gonna put this back piece on. It just simply pops over like this and just pushes on. We're good for the back piece. All right, so we got the back piece installed. Now we're gonna install the front piece here. It already has the little bolt in there, so we'll just clip it on. Now we just need to take the Allen key and tighten up the bolt. All right, we're just gonna get it all tightened up. So you get a little tightened up, and then we can push this back piece together. Should just clip together like that. All right guys, so we got the extension put on. Now we can easily use it. So if you're checking it out, you're adding about an inch. In all seriousness though, the turn level extension is pretty helpful. It's just right there at the fingertip now. I'll leave a link to it in the description below so if you guys want to check it out on our Amazon cart. Also, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.